In this video, we are going to discuss the unit vectors with the same direction as a given vector. Now, this means in the coordinate plane, we are not going to express this vector, say 3 to 4, as a combination of unit vectors on x and y. So it will not be as 3 to 4 equals 3i plus 4j. Rather, we are going to express this 3 to 4 vector, so this is 3, this is 4, as a unit vector with the same direction with the given vector. Let's see an example. Find a unit vector u with the same direction as v, which is given as a compound form -2 to 3. We have a formula to do this. To find the unit vector, we are going to use this formula. Now, here, u stands for the unit vector, and v is our vector given. Now remember, what was that in absolute value? This is the magnitude of v. So actually what we are doing here is to divide the given vector with its magnitude. So let's see how it works. So if we substitute the values into the formula, we have u equals, well, what is v? We are going to write the component form -2 to 3 divided by the magnitude, which is the square root of -2 squared plus 3 squared. So u is the component vector divided by the magnitude, which is square root of 13. So we write the unit vector as -2 over root 13 and 3 over root 13. Of course, we cannot leave it like this because we don't want square root numbers in the denominator, so we have to correct it as -2 times root 13 divided by 13 and 3 times root 13 divided by 13. So this is my unit vector with the same direction as the given vector v. Now it may not be seeming like a unit vector. Let's try to calculate its magnitude. If we have the magnitude 1, then it's a unit vector. So the magnitude of u is a square root of the square of -2 times root 13 over 13 plus the square of 3 root 13 over 13. So it will be again in the square root, let's say, so it is 4 times 13 over 169. I take the square of every single number here, and plus 9 times 13 over 169, which will give me 52 over 169 plus 117 over 169. So this will be square root of 169 over 169, which is the square root of 1, which is 1. So the magnitude of this unit vector is 1. So this shows us that the vector we're talking about is actually a unit vector. Now is your turn. So find the unit vectors with the same direction as the given vector. Now here you will do the same stuff. If you want to check what your answer is a unit vector or not, you can just calculate the magnitude of the vector you found. If it is 1, then it's a unit vector. So you can check your answers like that. But here it doesn't say check, so you are free. Solve these questions on your notebooks and enter answers in the answer sheet.